Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Sushmita and in today's video we will be painting tada! Central Park from Friends. So let's get started and have some fun. I'll be using an 8 by 10 inch canvas sheet and acrylic paints, but you can go ahead and paint it on any surface that you wish to, such as a coffee mug, pillow cover or anything. Firstly, I will be downloading Central Park from Google Images and adjust the size according to the surface that you'll be painting it on. And then I'll be tracing it out on an A4 sheet. And your Central Park drawing is ready here. And now I'll be using a carbon sheet to trace it out on the canvas sheet. So there I'm placing the carbon sheet over the canvas and aligning it with the A4 sheet. I'm tracing it out on the canvas now. And this is how the traced out part looks. I'm using a marker to outline the letters now. I have mixed three colors here: lemon yellow, yellow ochre and white, and I've made it as light as possible. I've used more of lemon yellow and white and very little bit of yellow ochre here. The ribbon, that is the part that we're painting right now, the upper part of it will be a little bit darker and it goes on getting lighter as we paint it downwards. I'll be using cadmium red hue to paint Central. Outlining the word Park here using a marker. It's a little hard to run a marker on a canvas sheet, because its surface is quite uneven, so gotta be a little careful. Using Viridian green here. I have made this green one shade lighter by mixing it with white and just stroking it on the uppermost part of the box. Let's move on to the coffee mug part. Here I have used the same colors as the central banner. I have used lemon yellow, yellow ochre and white. But I have used little bit more of yellow ochre to kind of give it a darker shade. I'm adding burnt sienna to the earlier mixture to make it a little more dark and painting it only in the corners of the mug. Now I'm using only burnt sienna to paint the bottom of the coffee mug. I'm using the same combination of yellows and white and stroking it on burnt sienna to make it a little subtle, and we'll be doing the same on the other side, other cup as well. Now I'm just playing around with the colors and strokes until I'm satisfied with how it looks. Painting with white on the perk part. so that we can give the color later when it dries. Painting the cup's handle using the same color as the cup. While recording, I did not realize that it was recording vertically. I'm sorry about that. I'm just taking burnt sienna and painting the the coffee part or the beverage part. I'm painting the steam with yellow ochre. For the word perk, I'll be using cobalt blue and white. The first half part of the perk will be of lighter shade than the bottom. So for the darker shade, I'll be mixing more cobalt blue, and the lighter one, I'll be mixing more of white to the cobalt blue. So this is how it looks. Now I'll be giving outline to the rest of the design. And our central perk is ready. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, then please do like, share, subscribe, and also press the bell button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.